Let's again go through the different ways with which you can open an image. The first way is to click on create new, and you can select for the different platforms, film, mobile, and just open a document, and you can place the image by clicking on place embedded, and you can select an image, and this image will appear, and you can move around the image and just place it here. Click on the move tool and it has been placed. The next way is to click on file, open, and then again you can go to your folder and then select the image, then it will open up as a new document. You can also do the same thing by going to your folder and just dragging and drop this image onto this bar. So now it has opened up as a new document. The next thing is layers. So to create a new layer, you can go to this icon here, create a new layer. Click on new layer and a layer is created. So layers are like the building blocks of Photoshop. So you can think it like a sandwich. So it has bottom bread, then there is a cheese, there's the burger inside that, and the top bread. So if you do anything, so let's take this paintbrush and I have selected this layer and I'm like drawing on top of this. So this image is not like affected because the layer is on top of this. So if I click on this I button, it will just disappear. So it is on the top layer, so it won't affect the layer beneath this. You can also select this and go to this opacity and change the opacity of that brush. There are also different blend modes available. You can cycle through them here. You can just select and cycle through the different blend modes. You can also duplicate a layer by going to duplicate layer. So layer is duplicated. You can group two layers by holding the shift button. And hitting command G. So now it's a group. So if I draw something on this group as a whole is affected. To change the layer name, you can just click on that layer and change the name. So layer name is changed. The other thing is the navigations. To navigate an image, you can zoom in an image hitting the command plus or command minus. You can also hold down the space key and move through the image. If you press the space key, you can move through the image. Hold down the space bar.